Oh.
You can't scare me.
Great, so how's it going today?
Fantastic. According to my watch, it's 90 degrees outside, so it's hot.
So, if you had the power to trade one item and carry it in your pocket.
My bed.
Hi everyone.
Hi. Do you look like an alien?
No, I do not. It's made up by the government.
Oh. Congratulations on becoming Employee of the Year.
Thank you.
How does it feel?
I'm actually feeling really good. I've been here almost 7 years, so it's nice to be recognized. I'm the collateral protection coordinator. I help with tracking insurance, and I also help members when they total their vehicles.
Would you consider cereal a soup?
No, but that would be fun.
So we have a surprise for you.
What? What is that?
Something's about to happen.
Oh, God. Okay. I answered one question.
Great. Well, we're gonna head down this hall.
Oh, now we have to walk?
If you were transported 400 years into the past with absolutely nothing that you have today, how would you prove that you were from the future?
I guess I would use like tell them things right before it happens, and then it happens.
You'd be this prophet.
Yes.
If you could replace all the grass in the world with something else, what would it be?
Trampolines.
Put my face on later. Alright.
Or what advice would you give someone who was trying to earn the title of Employee of the Year?
To always put members first. It's ridiculous outfit. I believe you. I do. I didn't have to do that last year.
Shucker, is there anything you'd like to ask our Employee of the Year?
Do you wish you got a parking spot?
Yes, I do. Yes. Whose idea was it?
Hi, Jory, you look beautiful. Hey, Jory, what's up? What's your favorite part of your outfit?
Favorite part of my outfit?
Yes.
The grass skirt.
You could say nothing.
There you go. There you, Jordan.
Kelly?
Oh, have you ever sent a text to the wrong person?
I do it all the time. And I was not expecting this.
What do you love most about your job?
I love helping people, and I love that I get to problem solve every day.
Okay, congratulations on being Employee of the Year.
I'm amazing.
Everyone,
You didn't know.
Jory.
All right.
All right.
Thanks, Jory.
Thank you.
I'm not keeping